When it comes to chocolate chips, choosing the right one can make all the difference in taste, texture, and performance. At CIRANDA, we offer certified organic and fair trade chips crafted for a range of applications. Our chips come in 4 standard sizes: 1M, 2M, 4M, and 7M, as well as kibbles. Here's the trick. The bigger the number, the smaller the chip. Smaller chips melt faster, disperse more evenly, and are great for coatings or inclusions. Larger chips hold their shape better in baking. Kibbles are ideal for melting applications and can provide some cost savings. We offer several chocolate profiles to support your formulation needs: 56% semi-sweet, 70% bittersweet, and coconut sugar chips made without cane sugar. We also offer plant-based white chips made with cocoa butter and are completely dairy-free. All of our chocolate is produced in a certified allergen-free facility. So how do you choose the right chip for your application? If you need smooth melting for drizzles, glazes, or enrobing, go smaller, like a 4M or 7M chip. If you want visible inclusions in cookies, bars, or granola, a 1M or 2M chip holds its shape beautifully. For clean label needs, coconut sugar chips offer a great alternative, and for dairy-free or plant-based applications, our white chips bring creamy sweetness without compromise. No matter your application, CIRANDA has an organic, fair trade chocolate chip crafted to perform beautifully. Let's find the right ingredient to bring your next idea to life.